Bam!
Alright, what's up guys? Back in the garage today, we're finishing up Jack. Actually, the only thing left to do is fire it up and see how everything works, if there's any leaks anywhere. There might be one leak on the turbo drain, where I couldn't really get a fitting as tight as I'd like it. But we are all buttoned up, all back together. Everything's looking pretty good. Got the new downpipe coming out over there. One of these days, we'll either put some new fenders on the truck or patch these holes. I don't know. Not really worried about it right now. Gotta tighten this one up real quick, actually. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, like I said, everything's looking pretty good. I got the lines for the dome control sensor actually reached, so that's pretty cool. They're a little snug, but not like tight. So hopefully that's fine. One of these days I might get an elbow to reclock that thing. Just take a little bit of tension off it, but it should be okay. Yeah, everything else I think is good. Just the drain fitting there, like I said, it could weep a little bit. Hopefully it's not too bad. Got the oil line off this side and got a cap on it. I think we are good to try and fire this thing up and see how it sounds. Let it get up to temperature, see how it does on the brake. Let's turn the power on. Damn this hoist. Let's see if we can roll this thing back a little bit. Uh-oh. Why is there no data? Gotta figure that out. Alright, let's try this one more time. ECU's on again. Battery's a hair low, but maybe we'll be alright. Come on, bud. There we go. Woo! Took us a minute, but we finally made it. Alright, let's check for oil leaks and stuff. brake and see what it does, I guess. Slow. I just want to get one more pulse so I can look at the data log and see how I can improve it. That alternator doesn't charge super great, does it? Alright. On the brake. Full throttle. Check over things one more time, turn the fan on. Got some nice color on the housing now. Pretty much every time it got up to 5 pounds and stayed there. Took a little bit to get there. I think I can improve that. So that's why I wanted to get the log a few times to see kind of repeatable stuff, what I can change, what is terrible. So yeah, I'm going to let everything cool off, look over the data, and maybe one of these days we'll take it to the track or something. Or at least take it down the road and see how she do. I'm really curious to see on the Transbrake like an A-B comparison from an old log to this current one to see. Yeah, it's still pretty nice, and I wouldn't say cool, but you can tell a huge temperature difference. Like over here is probably 130, 140, and over here is, I don't know, 60, 70. Alright, pops his first start with the new setup. See how easily it fires up. There we go. Need to shim that starter a little bit. little tight on this side. I bet he slowly eased into the throttle on the brake there.
Open S6, bounced to 8, and then shot to 11.
Because I'm going to have to play with the boost controller a little bit, get the settings figured out again. Yeah, 'cause when I was testing it yesterday, I got on the brake, and I was targeting 8 pounds, and it just kept climbing way past that. All right, Jack. Just about ready to see if we can snap an axle. Get the front strap down. He'll take it to his place. Got some goodies for the Chevelle. We'll go take care of real quick, and then we'll probably wrap the video up. Just picked up a glass hood for the Chevelle. And got the Skylark just about all buttoned up. That thing's looking pretty dang good. So we're about to pull the stock steel hood off this thing and set the glass one on it. Alright. Got the stock hood off. I have to pull those grills off of it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go grab the new one. Alright. Got the glass hood on. Fitting pretty good. No idea what brand it is. Don't know if it's Hardwood, Glass Tech, what it is. But looks good on there, and it's probably a third the weight of the stock one. Let's go.